What is up, everyone? Locked on Security here today with a new product review on the Carpuride W708 7-inch multimedia screen. In this video, I will be unboxing the product, show you the accessories that it comes with, taking a closer look at the device itself, go over the installation, demonstrate some of its features, and lastly, give you my honest opinion on it. Now, just as a heads up, I did receive this unit a few months ago and I've been using it ever since. I also filmed an unboxing and installation video when I first got it. However, both videos were accidentally deleted. So the unboxing portion of this video will not be a true representation of the state in which the product came in, which is unfortunate considering how well packaged it was. Now, looking at the box itself, there isn't much going on at the outside other than some basic information about the product itself, as well as some features and specs. When we first open the box, the first thing we see is the device itself packaged in a soft plastic bag. Included in the box, we have the user guide, an adjustable angle mount, a telescopic mount which I have already installed into my cart, double-sided foam adhesive, a second clip piece for the telescopic mount, a cigarette lighter power plug, and an auxiliary cable. On the side of the device, we find all peripheral ports, such as the power input, USB port, 3.5mm audio auxiliary output, a 2.5mm backup camera input, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm external microphone input. It is worth mentioning that the unit does have a built-in microphone, which is located on the top side of the device next to the power button. On the right side of the unit, we find some ventilation vents, as well as on the bottom side of the unit. On the back, there's a small speaker for users who do not have a working stereo on their vehicle and wish to use this unit as a standalone media receiver. There's also a light sensor which dims the brightness of the screen when the environment light is decreased, such as at nighttime or in a parking garage. To the left of the sensor, there are 4 slots for either mounting bracket to clip onto. Now, moving on to the installation of this device, I decided that my 2002 Volkswagen Cabrio would be a great car to install this unit into. The main reason for this is because this vehicle, as well as other older vehicles, does not have a double-din stereo cavity, which means a traditional multimedia receiver could not be installed. It is important to know that this device is not meant to replace your car's stereo, but rather enhance it by working in conjunction with it. Because of Carpuride's non-intrusive nature, installation can take as little as 30 seconds. The easiest way to install this unit onto your vehicle is by mounting it right onto the dash and plugging it into power. You don't even need to hook up the auxiliary cable, as the unit itself has a built-in FM radio transmitter in case that you do not have an auxiliary input on your stereo. I did, however, opt for a cleaner look and figured that the best place for me to mount the device will be where my cup holders used to go. I stuck the suction cup plate included in the box onto my center console, then secured it by pushing down the locking tab. As mentioned before, I wanted to go for a clean look, so I ran both the auxiliary and power cables into the inside of the dash and hardwired the power connector using a female cigarette outlet adapter. Although this is an option to power the unit, most users will most likely use the existing cigarette lighter outlet on their vehicle, making it a much more straightforward installation. Once all wires were ran and the mount was attached to the dash, the next step was to adjust the telescopic mount to my desired position by loosening the 3-axis screws on the back, top, and front of the mount. I plugged in the power cable onto the side of the unit. Now, notice that I did not hook up the auxiliary cable that I had previously run, as I later found out that I could play the audio from my phone onto my car stereo while staying connected to the Apple CarPlay. However, I am not sure if this will also be the case with Android Auto. And just like that, my Carpuride multimedia screen was installed. Once powered on, the device boots up quickly, and if already paired, either wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto will launch shortly after boot up. Although most users will acquire this unit primarily for its Apple CarPlay and Android Auto features, it is worth mentioning that another strong point of this device is the option to hook up a backup camera to it, which again, it is another limitation for older vehicles such as mine. Apple AirPlay and Android Link are another great feature of this unit. These are great from where you're sitting in the car and wish to stream video media from your device onto the Carpuride screen. One feature that I find very useful is the voice control button at the bottom of the screen. This is a very important feature for me, as I do not like to take my eyes off the road when driving, and I need to either make a phone call or find directions to a nearby gas station. To sum up this review, a general impression of this Carpuride 7-inch multimedia screen is very good. Build quality is solid, the user interface is straightforward and easy to use. Installation is extremely easy as there is no wire splicing required, and the included mounting brackets are both solid and versatile. Personally, the Apple CarPlay feature is my favorite feature of this device, and being able to have it on my 2002 Volkswagen Cabrio is a major win for me. Also, I've always wanted to add a backup camera to my vehicle, but never really thought it was possible until I installed this Carpuride screen, which again, it's another huge plus for me. And even though I currently do not have a backup camera installed, I do plan on installing one in the future, so look out for that video. Lastly, one thing I couldn't really show in this video due to my poor camera skills is the image quality from the high definition touchscreen, which in my honest opinion is at the level of other more expensive name brand multimedia receivers, if not better. That is it for this review. I really hope this video was useful to you. If you're interested in purchasing this unit for yourself or as a gift for someone this Christmas, do check out the link below for a discount coupon on this unit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our Locked On Security YouTube channel for more product reviews like this. And until next time, thank you for watching.